Welcome to the video on two truths and a lie. I'm going to give you some simple math problems, two of which will be true, and the third one will be false. It's up to you to identify which one is incorrect or a lie. Let's label the front side of your sheet problem number 1. Now record each of these statements in the sections labeled A, B, and C. Here we go. 3 plus 4 is less than 10 minus 1. Your next statement is 4 take away 2 is greater than 3 plus 7. And finally, letter C, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is greater than 4 take away 3. Take a moment and record each of these statements. Pause the video and figure out which one of these statements is the lie or false. You can show your work in the boxes, and then you can record your information below. Take a moment and figure out which one is the lie. Please do not start the video until you've come up with the incorrect statement or the lie. Let's go through this together. We know 3 plus 4 is 7, and 10 minus 1 is 9. Clearly, 7 is less than 9, so this is true. Letter B, 4 take away 2, well, this is worth 2. And 3 plus 7 is 10. Is 2 greater than 10? This seems to be the lie. It's false. But let's check the third option. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And over on the other side, 4 take away 3 is 1. Is 3 greater than 1? Yes, it is. So clearly, letter B is the lie. Let's try another one. Flip your page over and record the following information on the back. Let's try another one. Remember, anytime you are asked to participate in watching a video, you are expected to take notes and provide work on the page. Let's label this side number 2. Let's see what's true and what's false. Here we go. 4 squared, or 4 to the second power, equals 8. 4 squared, or to the second power, equals 16. 2 to the fourth power equals 16. One of these is false. Take a moment, pause the video, and see if you can figure out which one of these is false. Now that you've had a moment to look at the work, let's try them together. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up. 2 to the fourth power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 4 is indeed 16. So this is true. The next one is 4 squared, which is 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 is indeed 16, so that one's true. And finally, our top one. Well, clearly 4 squared is not 8. Letter A is false. This concludes the video, 2 truths and a lie.